You know, when you are in American roulette in a casino, the dice, you cannot predict where the win would be.
Yeah.
So with all the good intentions Muhoozi has, is unpredictable. Unlike his father. You get it? He's highly unpredictable. I'm just thinking. I'm just a thinker.
Yeah. Don't you credit him for developing the army and what time, the way he has moved along with the army and how the army has been? Like, I think now the army is, there has been a lot of transition from in the army.
I don't think that credit would go to him. The credit would only come to him that people would be very cautious when dealing with him because he's the first son. You get it? He can turn every stone. He can turn every stone which has been unturned. And the development of the army is not like something which happened the last 9 months. While he's the army commander. No.
And it has been there.
It has been historical. It has been institutional. The credit still goes to his father. I tweeted some months ago about the UPDF construction brigade, on how they are changing the face of Kampala city. Many people lambasted me here and there, but lately now you see the UPDF have kind of disappeared, and now you see Chinese and Orientals who have got subcontract from the UPDF. So I think General Muhoozi, I talked to Andrew Mwenda about this, but people like Andrew Mwenda are not good listeners. He needs to be more predictable. He needs to be more predictable to the ordinary Ugandans. You get it? He needs to be more predictable. People should be able to predict that he can do this when you do this. When you do this, he can do this. So it's not predictable. So it makes it a risky business because you don't know what you are going into. You get it? Actually, if he had just kept quiet, if I were his political advisor, he's my friend. I've met him once or twice. He has given me a book to read. I also gave him a book to read. We are all authors. I don't have any personal problem with him. When I meet him, he calls me by name. He's about 7 years older than me. We are in the same generation. But if he had advisors, they should advise him to just sit and do nothing. You get it? There are times you are better off just being quiet than these social media things, basement, learning Banyankole. No, that's unbelievable. You get it? This is not something that should come from someone who is being seen as the next president.
What if what if he is using that as a covering fire? Like he makes you think this way and then he does something different on the ground.
I don't know, but then who are the political philosophers around him? Who are the thinkers? Who are the people he listens to?
You mentioned about Andrew Mwenda. He's one of them.
I had 2 hours discussion with Andrew Mwenda when I just came back from Spain, because I am trained to think through scenarios. And what I told him are the very things he did not do. I don't know whether he tried to do and no one listens to them. They are the very things he did not do. So you just don't know what's going on. Then the other point is, many Ugandans are saying after Museveni, power should leave the West. There should be rotation of power. Those views are also there. These are not the views of Otto.
But no, I think that decision belongs to Ugandans.
Yeah, but there is a silent discussion, and people are saying now the hands are pointing towards the east. The north has had their own share. The central did. The west has. So power should not even stay in the same region. Forget about even the same family. So there are also those views that are also very strong in the country, especially in a system where we don't have term limits, where we don't have age limits. If you have Muhoozi as the president, that means another 40 years. That's it. It's another 40 years. And
there are also some rumors that his son recently joined the army, that he may be another potential persons take over after him.
My friend, for me, there are things in this world, you know, I'm just an analyst anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.